In today's video, I'll show you how to find your API key in ConvertKit, a vital step if you're integrating your account with other tools or apps. Let's walk through it quickly and clearly. First, open your web browser and go to convertkit.com. Log in with your account credentials or sign up if you're new. Once you're inside your dashboard, look at the top right corner. You'll see your profile name or avatar. Click on it and from the drop-down select Settings. Now in the Settings menu, scroll down and find the section labeled Advanced or Developer. That's where ConvertKit stores your API details. Inside this section, you'll see two important keys, your API key and your API secret. Your API key is visible right away, while your API secret might be hidden. Just click the Show button if you need to view it. Copy both keys carefully using right-click or your keyboard shortcut. Make sure to keep them safe and never share them publicly since they allow access to your ConvertKit account. Description, phrases, and that's it. You've found and copied your ConvertKit API key. You can now connect ConvertKit with other platforms and automate your email marketing easily. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. I'll be happy to help.